Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Maulana Andi. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Campus Kaliabang. I'm here to give my opinion the dangers of smoking in campus area. The danger of smoking, but for ourselves and for those around us, are significant and have become a global concern. Here are some of negative impact that result from the habit of smoking. 1. The dangers of smoking for yourself. Cancer risk. Smoking is leading cause of many types of cancer, especially lung cancer, accounting for 90% of death from this cancer. In addition, smoking can also cause cancer of the mouth, throat, kidney, and bladder. Heart disease. Smoking increases the risk of coronary heart disease and heart attack. The harmful substance in cigarettes can damage blood vessels and increase blood pressure, which contributes to cardiovascular problems. Respiratory disease. Smokers are at high risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, bronchitis, and emphysema. Carbon monoxide and tar in cigarettes interfere with lung function and reduce respiratory capacity. Immune system disorders. Smoking can weaken the immune system, making smokers more susceptible to infection and diseases. Other health problems. Smoking can also cause digestive disorders, such as acid reflux or GERD, as well as fertility problem is both male and woman. In addition, smokers tend to experience premature aging of the skin. 2. The dangers of smoking for people around. Passive smoker. People who do not smoke but are exposed to secondhand also face serious health risks. They can have an increased risk of lung cancer by up to 13% and heart disease of 25%. Impact on children. Children exposed to secondhand smoke have a higher risk of developing respiratory problems, air infection, and sudden infant death syndrome or SIDS. Data show that many children in Indonesia become passive smokers due to exposure to cigarette smoke at home or in surrounding environment. Unhealthy environment. Smoking in public area or campus environment can create an uncomfortable atmosphere for others. Cigarette smoke is not only harmful to health, but can also cause unpleasant odors and pollute the environment. Student response. Some students expressed their opinion on smoking habits on campus. Comfort and health. Many college students complain that smoking carelessly can interfere with their comfort. They argue that the campus should be a green and healthy place. So, the smoking ban needs to be enforced more strictly. Smoker right. On the other hand, there are also students who argue that smoking is an individual right. They asked that a special area for smoking be provided so as not to disturb others. With a smoking area, smokers can enjoy their habits without disturbing the comfort of others around them. And the prohibitions in lecture order, campus order, and drug and alcohol order are: number one, a lecture order. In regulation number one, during lectures, students are prohibited from smoking, eating, and drinking in the classroom and in the BSc University building. Number two, campus order. In regulation number 9, is smoking inside the BSc University campus building. Drug and alcohol order. In regulation number 2B, smoking marijuana, putau, and methamphetamine and the like. Conclusion. Smoking carries many health risks both for the smoker himself and the people around him. Therefore, it is important to raise awareness of the dangers of smoking and encourage policies that support a smoking-free environment. Their efforts not only protect the health of individuals but also create a healthier community as a whole. That's my opinion and thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Say goodbye and good morning everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Maulana Andi Wawo. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University. Kaliabang Campus. I will explain the material simple present tense. Presentation outline. 1. Definition. 2. Function. 3. Formulas. 4 characteristic. 5. Dialogue. And 6. Exercise. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is a verb tense that expresses actions or states that happen regularly, habitually, or are general true. It's one of the most common tense in English and is used in various contexts. Habit. Regular habit or daily routine use the simple present to express the idea that action is repeated or usual. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, or something that often happens. Examples. 1. I woke up at 6 a.m. And 2 example, we went to the library on Saturday. Facts. Facts or generalization. The simple present can also indicate the speaker believes that a fact was true before, is true now, and will be true in the future. It is not important if the speaker is correct about the fact. It's also used to make generalization about people or things. Example 1. The earth revolves around the sun. And 2 examples, the sky looks blue on sunny day. Planet event. Scheduled event in the near future is a speaker occasionally use simple present to talk about scheduled event in the future. This is most commonly done when talking about public transportation, but I can be used with other scheduled events as well. Example 1. The train will leave at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. And 2 examples, buses arrive at the station every hour. Express feelings. Express feelings and emotions. The simple present tense is commonly used to express feeling and emotion. It helps convey how someone feels at a particular moment or in general. Example 1. I like chocolates. And example 2. I don't like crowded place. Command or instruction. Command or instruction. The simple present tense is also used to give commands or instruction. So we often see commands or instruction using the simple present tense. Example 1. Please open the door. And example 2. Wash your hands before eating. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is normal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus to be plus complement. The formula plus or mean of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is plus subject plus verb plus complement, and mean subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement, and question mark your do or does plus subject for plus verb 1 plus complement plus question mark. Nominal simple present tense. The formula mean plus or question mark of the simple present tense for the nominal pattern is, and plus subject plus to be plus complement, mean subject plus to be plus not plus complement, and question mark to be plus subject plus complement plus question mark. Example sentence. 1. Verbal simple present tense. Example positive. 1. He study English every day. 2. They play soccer in the afternoon. 3. He works at a bank. And 4. I like reading novels. 5. We travel during the summer. 6. The sun rises in the east. 7. My sister watches cartoon every morning. And 8. You look happy today. And 9. The day the baby is sleeping peacefully. And 10. The birds are creeping in the morning. Example nominal simple present tense. Example positive. She's a teacher. They are friends. She is very kind. I am happy today. We are ready to go. The sky is blue. My parents are at home. The coffee is hot. You are amazing. It is a beautiful day. The simple present is used with adverbs like always. I always come to school by car. Often. I don't come here very often. Usually. He usually eats breakfast at 7 o'clock am. Sometimes. Sometimes I go to party. Rarely. She rarely cooks. Never. He is never late for class. Every day. They sleep early every day. Simple present tense spelling rules. 1. To form the simple present, we add subject as to the infinitive of the verb in the third person singular. He, she, or it. Example, I live. He or she or it lives. Example 2. I sing. he, she, it, sings. 2. But when the verb ends in A. Subject O, or subject SS, or subject SH, or TH, or mean subject X, we add subject is. Example 1, I go, become I goes. I kiss, become kisses. I watch, become watches. I was, become oasis. I fix, become fixes. B. A consonant followed by subject E or J changes into I and we add us. Example 1, I study, become studies. C. A vowel followed by subject E, we just add subject X. Example 1, I play, become plays. 3. To form the negative and interrogative, we need the auxiliary verb to do in the present simple. This means we have to add is in the three or the person singular. He, she, it. We, while the main verb will be used in the infinitive. Example, do or I, you, they goes like, become, don't like. Does like, become, doesn't like. Example dialogue. Here, two humans, Tom and Sarah. Tom. Hi Sarah, what do you usually do after school? Sarah. Hi Tom, I usually go to the library to study. How about you? Tom. I usually play basketball with my friends in the park. Do you like sport? Sarah. Yes, I do. However, I prefer reading and studying. I enjoy learning new things. Tom. That's great. What subject do you like? Sarah. I like sciences and math. Both are very interesting. How about you? Tom. I like history. Studying history is fun. Sarah. Sounds interesting. By the way, do you come to the library every day? Tom. Not every day, but I go 3 on Thursday for us study group. Sarah. Great. Maybe we can study together sometime. Tom. Sure, that will be fun. Exercise 1. He dot to school every day. A. Go. B. Go. C. Go to. And exercise 2. My parents dot TV in the evening. A. Watch. B. Watch. C. Play. That's all my material. Thank you and say goodbye, everyone. Good evening. Thank you.
Body, I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.